So very warm good morning everyone.
Good morning, sir.
How are you all? Okay. So today in this video we are going to do something special. What we are going to do, I'm going to invite over here and we will do some kind of broadcast. We will talk about the rural education, and this is not like we are not going to judge you behalf of your performance. As you know, English is not like you can't say that we are capable or not capable. Something is better than nothing. Just try your giving your best level and you can do much better. Don't worry about that. So that I'm going to invite the one student, the name of Nandini, okay, and the guest, the name of Kajal and Varun. So now we are going to start. So best of luck to all of you. और ज़्यादा नहीं सोचना है, just you have to give your 110%. Grammar सही है, गलत है, don't worry about that. We are human being. Okay, something is better than nothing. Just we have to.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Nandini Singh, and today I'm here host to represent the rural area and discussing about rural area. We are inviting both and Varun Dikshit and Kajal Thakur. So start our questions.
Okay.
So what do you think about rural area? They are facing many problems in educations, and they are always saying like we are come from Hindi mediums and we don't get English. We don't opportunity in English. Why they always say? You get my question?
Why not? Like, especially in the rural area, there is a myth. Like, if we are trying to speak English, the person who is trying to speak English always be a center of a fun for the society. So we have to like reduce that mentality from our society. That if somebody is trying to initiate something, we have to support them and like make them sure that he is comfort to like speak their own words.
So what type of situations they face?
Especially like in they are also like say there is a myth also like if the people like English is especially for like a urban area, not for the rural areas, because like if we are also trying to speak English, then what will the rural areas do? Like there is a power, they think that the power of the rural area is not to speak English, because they want to like restrain their culture also. Like Hindi is also like our mother tongue, so they just restrain their mother tongue not to like foreigners, because they are also like self dependent, not the other dependent also.
What do you think
about the rural area education system.
education system? Why they always saying like we are coming from Hindi medium, that's why we don't get English, we can't speak in English?
As we all know that in which surrounding we are living, the impact will impact on us. So people which are living in that scenario, they will have that kind of mentality, but this is not a reality. If we are from Hindi medium, we can't speak English. We only need the drive, focus and the lots of opportunities so that we can able to speak English. And if the urban people get to know about their responsibilities, and they will get the proper facilities, so they can definitely improve with passage of time.
Okay, nice. So next question is like you are facing problems in rural area. Many people facing like a hospital is very far from their house and where they live. So what kind of initiative government took for this problem? What do you say?
So for that, like basically government have to work on the infrastructure facilities. They have to open many hospitals and providing education, so that the people in village areas have a ability to study. They can complete their degree of doctor and they can be the doctor for upcoming years. And many more facilities like providing the small societies like self-help groups for health, for providing the health system, and provide more sanitization, providing the facilities of toilets in every village. So because we all know that there is a lack of knowledge that people have, so the government can improve that thing.
So what do you think about hospitals in village
Like
areas?
according to me, like as Kajal say about like infrastructure is also like main part. Like if we are being educated and we are not getting the proper facility to treat our patient, then how we can be able to like treat the people like confidently as well as like properly. And also somehow like people think that they are like born to be as a doctor first, like all the people, like especially for the mothers, every mother have know the every remedy of every disease, like homemade remedies, like they are not believing in the English medicines, because there is also side effect of that, they think so.
So government need to initiate to make some hospitals in village
Yeah,
area.
government is also initiating, but like road facility is very like very bad. Like if there is emergency for the ambulance, like we are not getting the proper road to run the ambulance, and like transportation of the medicine equipments from rural area, like urban area to rural area. So if they are not providing like proper facility, how we can be manage the hospital in that particular
Yeah.
area?
Okay, my next question is like why people get migrate from rural area to urban area and get for job? Why they are migrating from
Like
yeah.
according to me, like urban area is a hub of manufacturing industries and
Like
so
you
many
say
other
one
opportunities
thing,
also.
urban area is many opportunities and rural area is not have any opportunity. Why rural area don't have opportunity? Why they migrate from their house?
I think lack of resource is a main point, and as well as infrastructure. Always infrastructure is a point of any issues held in a rural area with respect to the urban area. So resources and infrastructure are the main cause. Like especially for the particular semi-urban area is somehow good for that, but in a particularly rural area they are not getting the proper resources, proper infrastructure to run their like own institute, own industries to like collaborate with the government, especially like if they also like if government is also doing initiative in that, and government made their particular facilities in the particular area, but there is no staff to run them, they are also like lazy staff, I think we can say
But
that.
from rural area, they are migrated from urban area. They get job and they are doing very hard work. Why they not get job in their own village, and why they not hard working in their own village for their
Like
own village?
they are working hard in their own village also, because they complete their education system from their own village. After that they try to search for the government like job. So if there is a opportunity providing in your village, so why would you go out of your village? If the opportunity is not there, then they will definitely migrate from their village to the urban area.
As for my opinion, the people migrate due to the lack of opportunities. Like if we are doing the lots of hard work, and comparison to that hard work we are not getting the enough money, so we will migrate. And as we all know that we use a machinery, and with the passage of time it reduces. As our same are with us life, if we are working so long and we are hard working and we are not getting enough protein, vitamins, minerals, so how we can live our life with the self fulfillment? If that work we are not getting the enough money, we are not getting the enough happiness, so we can't do that work, so we need to migrate. And as we know, with the passage of time, improvement is very important. If we will not improve it with passage of time, we will behind, and everyone will grow and we will beside. So that's why we need to improve ourselves.
Okay, your point is good, but after seeing that women safety is also lack of women safety in village area, rural area, and the people think that education of girls is not important. Why? Why they think education of girls is not important?
We all know that do anything we need a time. It's not kind of magic we will like shakalaka boomer and thing will happen. This will not happen. So just government is working on that, providing many facilities, police facilities also, and providing the self defense classes also, so that will improve with passage.
Okay, what do you think about girls education in rural area?
I think girls' safety is more like girls are more safe in the rural area than the urban areas.
No, there are not complaining registered in police stations, and there
No,
are
no,
other
like
things.
in society is also matter. Like in which society you are living, your mentality will develop according to your society. Like according like me also, like I am also from the rural area. As our society is also related everyone to everyone. Like I myself say that my whole village is my family, because all are connected very like heartily to each other. But in our rural area, like in the urban area, we are not engaging to know what is happening next to us. Like especially in the girls area, like if there somebody is teasing someone, nobody will going to like raise their voice against them. But in the rural area, there are people are also hesitated in doing that, because they know that if somebody see them, they will definitely tell that situation to their family also, and they are also afraid of their family also. But in a rural area, families are all not also like engaging in the case of the like their sons, their daughter. They are just on their own work. They do migrate, they, because the modernization is too high in the I think urban area.
Yeah, you can say that modernization is very high. So you say that you lived in rural area. What kind of problems you face in rural area? Like resources are not available in rural area.
Especially
Which
like
kind of?
education system is too bad, like especially for the younger people, younger childs. They are not getting like proper facility for their education. Like government schools are not working properly. They are like, teachers are there, but the theoretical knowledge they are not providing them.
So what kind of initiative government took for education in rural area? What kind of?
Like they are also, I think they are also providing Janman Dhan Yojana, especially for the SC and STs, to like upliftment of the society of ST and ST. And they are also like providing the like more facilities, especially the in the midday meal. Midday meal is also providing for the government school students, for like proper nourishment is also providing to them.
So this will help to peoples who get education or not?
Like definitely it will help, because everyone knows that the healthy mind have a healthy body, like healthy body have a healthy mind. So definitely if people are healthy and like meals are proper good, then they will definitely get the opportunity.
So why they not get practical knowledge in that school?
Practical knowledge also needs a resource. Like if
Why
we
they
are,
not have resources?
I definitely say about that is basically the infrastructure, the opportunities, the budget is also not proper for that particular thing.
But in 2025 budget, Nirmala Sitharaman says that we can provide many resources. We have budget of rural area and that much. We're very high budget.
But
Why they say this if rural area don't get this resources and that budget? Why?
okay, we are in 2025, and if we are implementing any scheme, it took a time.
It's also 2024 budget. Also have infrastructures for rural area and rural education.
They
Why
are they are
not
providing
getting?
fund to them, but fund is not properly working in that particular thing. Like corruption is high in that particular area,
So why in urban area they are developing?
because
Corruption is also in urban area. Why
like
not?
if like somebody, like you take an example about that, if like people are living in a house and nobody is come there, then they will definitely doesn't worry about like what is happening in their home. It need a renovation or any furnitures. But if somebody is coming regularly in the particular area in your house, then you definitely show them like we are also like you, make them sure that you are like safe in our house. So you will definitely renovate your house, make a new furnitures. You like is same to as in urban area and the rural area. If like all the guests of the international houses are come in the rural area, or like urban area, not in the rural areas.
What do you say?
Like basically, what is the question?
Why urban area get all resources and all educations fund, and why rural area don't get that fund? Describing by dedicate by finance minister or
Like as you say in the budget 2025, Nirmala Sitharaman ji said many things, but in urban areas we know that they don't have the proper records of the transaction. Now many people
Why they
even
not
yet not
maintain
using the online
records?
payments. They only believe in the cash payments, and cash payment don't have a like proper record, like who is transferring how many money, the transfer of black money also. So the government will not have the proper records of urban areas. So how they will improve that areas? Which we need the who working, we need a more money, and if people are not paying the GST income tax on regular basis due to corruption, they are, so government need that to
Okay.
improve.
Like you say that they are not maintaining records and all. I think why they not trusting government policies? Like government says UPI, use UPI for their transaction. Why they not trusting government?
Because in urban areas the basic issue is the internet, electricity problem. If internet will not work, how we will do online payment?
Okay, so like you raise the point internet. So what kind of problem rural area facing by internet?
Facing problem due to internet.
What kind of problems?
Using everything over and over will harmful, but if we are using everything in a good way, it will be improve us.
Okay, what kind of problems internet like facing rural areas?
Especially like speed problem.
Okay.
Like if they are searching for anything, they will definitely took a very large time to be download in their like own phone. And like you are also saying the question, can you repeat the question? Like first question.
Which type of question?
Before that you asked for him.
Like rural area have a many type of problems in UPI system. Why they not maintaining records? Like
Yeah, it is a good point. Like people are nowadays people are like believing in them, but like earlier day people are not like willing in them because the cyber crime is also increasing day by day. Not only for like normal people, the head of the bank is also being fraud by the cyber crimers. So if the banker are not like safe in our that, then they will definitely provide a opportunity to the rural areas not to believe on the UPI. But according to the update version of the UPI, people are like engaging in them and also think that it is safe for us.
like you say that internet is problems, like UPI have problems of internet, they don't transact with it, but I think government take initiative for offline transactions also. Then also rural people is not getting trust on government policies and they don't use UPI systems for transactions.
Like unified payment interface is like, as you are saying, offline facilities also available. It's a update version, and the people of urban areas, due to lack of knowledge, they are not even understanding the same thing. So we need to arrange some meetings, some group interactions with the people, so that peoples can understand them the basic importance of that unified payment interface. And as we all know that the online payment, like in ASBA, application support by block amount have also increasing. So yeah.
Yeah, okay. You say that ASBA is only for stock payment, and why people not use ASBA against UPI?
Why people don't what?
Why people not using ASBA against UPI?
Against UPI?
Yes, over UPI against UPI. Why ASBA
Like,
is very old.
you know that we are working, and nowadays we are only working, we are not investing. This will not leave our life in future. Like investment
But
is a
people of
basic
rural
need of
area-
every person.
But people of rural area is not investing. Why they use ASBA?
That's why I'm saying they need to like arrange some meetings, some seminars also,
Seminars.
so that they can realize the importance of investment.
But I think government also taking seminars in Delhi, Mumbai. They are using.
So need to take in the urban
why
areas.
they not taking seminars in rural area? They only take urban area seminars. Why?
I don't know, like they are maybe judging by them their personality kind of.
You are saying about like government is not taking seminar in the rural areas.
No, government are taking, but not that much. Like they take in seminars in Delhi, like our institutions also is only preparing some functions in Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, that place. Not taking initiative in other village areas like many
it is
areas.
a very vast myth in our like in our society, like the people of the rural area are not properly civilized. But so for like change their mentality, it took time, and the initiative is also done by government. Like they are providing small seminars in our especially in the schooling time. After like in class 10th and class 12th, the mental pressure is too high, like board is there, because so for reducing them and also providing the opportunity, what is the career option for us if you are taking this stream, they are providing the seminars. But if for a vast seminar, it took a time. Like if the people are well educated in the rural area, they will definitely know the importance of the seminars. Then they will definitely
So
join the
mainly
seminars.
problem is facing is educations, not other
Education
problems.
is not a problem, like, but the mentality, the myth, the resources, and the infrastructure, the practical knowledge, they are not getting the proper practical knowledge is also a
I also
cause.
see that thing like village peoples are not going to school proper
Yeah,
days
yeah.
and proper time. Why they not getting education proper way? If government is providing your education or resources, why you can't use that? Like people's not using that resources.
Like
They don't have mentality to change their mentality.
yes, mentalities need to be changed in a rural area, because like take an example, if that people is doing same thing for a like period of a time, they will definitely become bored about that. Like if there is no interesting thing, like the way of teaching of the teacher is the same, then definitely people are bored, like what is his teaching, or like boring to us. Then if the technique is changed, like different technique, the practical knowledge introduced in the thing, the AI used in the schools, especially for like 3D animations, the projectors are also introduced in our schools, they will people will definitely take interest in them. Like we are not need to force them to like regular in the school, they will come by their own.
By their own, yeah. Will take by initiative by teachers and school
Like
itself.
technology must be like introduced in the education systems, like which we are knowing the technology, and we will also take a campaign of that, and like educate the teachers first, then they will definitely teach their students also.
Like if we have a lack of knowledge, so what we will do, we will hit in the dark only. So for that we need to proper knowledge to doing anything. And what was the question?
The question is like why people not going to school daily if government providing him or her the proper resources, and why they not getting that resource?
As we all know that all that glitter is not a gold. It could be like the thing we are representing, we are imagine it's not properly like that. Like we know that every people have a different kind of mind, and the person teaching in her own way, in him or her own way. So it could be like the many students in the class, and someone is not able to understand in that way, so that person need to understand in that way also, because everyone have a different mind. So I think we need to focus on the teaching way,
Techniques.
and many techniques use, and AI also we can
Okay.
use in that.
But in rural area we see that there are many problems of wasting management of wastage, like they doing farming and handcrafting, but they not use that waste material in good things.
No, this is wrong. They are using waste material in farming also. Agriculture in the rural area is the biggest reason to growing them.
But the problem
And
is
if they
draining.
will not grow, we will not get the
The
proper.
problem is draining, like if you have a land of architecture, and you have a land for farming, but that land will be drained by other things, like they use that land for other purpose and filling their home. So how you do farming again in that field?
This is a method, like if we are growing anything on the land, so we have to left that land for some period, and by putting some by yeah.
Okay, you can explain
Can you please ask the question first?
why people are using sustainable agriculture's farming.
Like people are not using the sustainable farming, I say that like the way we she is asking that was the sustainable farming, like
Okay.
so for lefting the land for the 2 or 3 years, then they will definitely restore their nutritions. And but people nowadays people are like doing the drip irrigations, like tube well is also introducing in our like agriculture, and India is the largest contribution of the agriculture. Like the primary sector is the main core of the Indian economy, so we will definitely like the raw materials, all the raw material for the industries all being provided by our agriculture.
You say that agriculture is very high rate in India,
Yeah.
but day by day is decreasing. Why?
because like people are not aware about the tertiary and the secondary sectors. Like industry is also increasing day by day, and we are also having an example of the Uber cab driving. The tertiary sector, like providing service to the people, is also increasing day by day. Like people are like organizing their own like car or like travel agency to make them. That is also like part of a society.
Like you say that resources problems in rural area, but they have resources, like they can use handcraft for selling, for their
Like-
self-employment. Why they're not aware of this?
Like if there is a two things in a society, like one is handmade and another is like manufactured by the like machine,
Machines.
and that cost of machine is too low, then
Yeah.
definitely it will like people go for the lower one, not for the handlooms.
But the handcraftings is very high market price in other state, other
That's,
worlds also, other
like,
countries.
The particularly for the like handcraft, the people of the India is doing in that very well. Like GI tag is also giving like approximately 20 to 30 GI tags are also giving to the textures and like handlooms to of our country. And government is also taking a good initiative, like represent that home handlooms in the international level, make them an international level product that they can definitely send their product out of the world, not especially in the country only. Like people are not like getting that proper resources that they can definitely.
What do you say about handcrafting of rural area?
Handcrafting of rural area is very high price selling in the urban areas also, because this is a creativity and art which cannot be sold. This is a basic thing which which we cannot buy by money. So it's very important to improve the handcrafting on the pan level. By using the advertisement we can improve that thing also, and this thing will help you in the improving the rural areas opportunities of employment.
So what type of initiative government took for more opportunities in rural area? What kind of they make some schemes, need to take some initiative? What kind of, you think you take your
Government
answer.
what kind
According
of
to you.
initiatives government raising?
According to you, what kind of government need to take initiative in rural area so that they can increase opportunities?
Increase opportunities, like this is the era of vloggers, so you know that the many vloggers go in the urban areas and they make vlogs and viral that people's also. And in recently in Prayagraj Mahakumbh we saw many people's got a popularity due to their talent, due to their appearance, it could be anything. And government like need to improve that thing also, and appreciate the peoples who are working. And government also provide many seminars in which they give the prize to that people who are working in their vlogging channels in a very good way, and gaming channel also. And as we all know that gaming on physical and online both are running in a very high on peak.
Okay, what do
So
you think about, according to you, government need to take some actions?
Like according to me, the rural area people are like hardworking, like creative also, but they are not getting the proper opportunities. Like if we are and the main enemy of our society is also unemployment. Like if the people find the unemployment in their own like employment in their own skills, and also provide the society to be a part of their own like initiative, they will definitely like creative things about out of the box. Like if we are like having a interest in a sport, then we will definitely become a coach, like organizing a society and make the people aware of about these sports. And like any other things we can do that on the particular things. Like if we are like well good in the handlooms, we can manufacture their own like factory by taking a loan. As you are also saying, the budget is also like good for the middle classes, that they
Yeah.
will providing you loan on the low interest rate. Then they will definitely like make the short like the unemployment enemy is also reduced from our society if we do these kind of the things, like be creative out of that. And India is like 31 out of the 50 countries in our global innovative index. Like innovation is like reducing day by day. So we have to generate the skill first, then will definitely employment increase day by day.
Okay, so it's only the work of government, not of
Like
civilian.
in the which initiative will like run by the government, it is for us. Like we have to take participate in them as like as we can. So it will like if we are not taking part in them, what is the value of that like initiative like value?
How we help rural areas?
Like especially
How we can?
like make them like aware about the like policies which are being run by our government. Many of us are not knowing the like initiative which is like particularly for the farmers, for the rural areas, to like make them initiative. Like the government is also providing loan and like support to the MSMCs, which like the small entrepreneurs of
But
our
if
rural
people
area.
are not aware about loans, how they can get that particular initiative benefit?
Like as she said about that, the seminars campaign and like as advertisement online, introducing technology in the agriculture and other thing also, like secondary sector is also good for us, and that's why like
So basically, according to me, as we all know that rural area is a geographical area which is outside the town and cities. So as being a young youth of India, we can provide by ourselves, like providing the education to people who are not able to study due to poverty. So we can take initiative as a young youth. Also, we can also provide the charity uh, to the peoples and help the old age peoples also.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is the opinion of our students on village and rural area. Hope you like this video.